Hi everyone, Dave Garlett here from Sennheiser's Technical Application Engineering Group. We're here at the Collect and Collaborative Roadshow in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're showing off our classic flagship, the TCC2 ceiling microphone. It's been around a while. It is an amazing microphone for picking up an area of at least 30 feet. But what I want to show you today is the new TCC-M. And we're starting to see some features in this microphone that are revolutionary. We have incorporated what we call intelligent noise control. So what's very different about this, when the beam is pointing at a person talking, it now knows the difference between a person talking and ambient noise. So no more stray beams pointing away, and this is particularly important when it comes to automatic camera tracking, where the microphone knows the difference between noise and a person talking. Therefore, the focus of your presenter stays stable even if the presenter stops talking for a little bit. The TCC-M is going to have a brand new 24-inch by 24-inch square drop-in tile adapter to replace the round faceplate. So this one microphone is very good for areas beyond 11 feet. We just got it certified for Teams large and extra large rooms. And so now this microphone, being about 30% less than the TCC2, can cover just about as big of an area as the TCC2, and with the new noise control features that we had. It's available in a surface mount, flush mount, and the new 2x2 panel faceplate. So excellent addition to the TCC microphones.